Thanks for tuning in, guys. We cooking today. I'm gonna make what I'm gonna call 3 pepper armadillo eggs and some deer burgers. I'm gonna show you all my ingredients real quick, how I do it, cook them. Then me and my oldest daughter are gonna sit down and try the armadillo eggs. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Let's get into it. We gonna make something spicy. Ingredients: bacon, pepper jack cheese, jalapenos, 3-pound sausage, cream cheese. Don't forget seasoning, deer meat. Most important part, peppers, Carolina Reaper, Habanero. Check this out. All right, y'all, let's get serious for a minute. You're doing your cheese, you're cooking with it, buy the block, grate it yourself. The reason you want to grate your own cheese is because pre-shredded cheese has an anti-binding agent which keeps it from sticking together, but it also messes up the melting process. Cream cheese. Set it up for a little while, let it soften. Next step, put on gloves. Take your peppers, wash them first, mix them up. One thing to watch for when you're mixing something with gloves on is you can slice the little tips of rubber off the end of your fingers, and you look down, you got lots of little black pieces in your peppers. No good, you gotta start over. Pay attention. Mince them up fine. Look at that little pile of heat. Heck yeah. Put them in with your cheeses. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, Tony's, slap your mama, hot. All of it. Pour it on top. Why cook it if you ain't gonna put no flavor in there? Take your jalapenos, wash your dang peppers. Jalapeno corn tool. Take off the top. Shove that in now. Give her a twist. Pull the core. Look at that. Seeds, membrane, leave it. Now back to the filling. Cheeses, peppers, seasonings, masher. Get in there however you gotta do it. Mix it up. Now that your cheese is mixed up, pepper, spoon, and just start dragging it in. Stuff it full, do the rest. Quick tip, before you stuff a pepper, take a toothpick right at the bottom, poke a hole in. That way, you take the cheese and push it in there, the air's got somewhere to go, and you won't have air pockets in the tip of your pepper. Now you get your jalapeno stuffed. Take your sausage, break some off, flatten it out. Got the sausage flat, take the jalapeno, stick it in the middle, wrap it. You're starting to see why they call them armadillo eggs. Now that you got them coated in sausage, 2 pieces of bacon. Start at the top, start wrapping your way down. As you're wrapping, layer it over itself so you only have to use 1 toothpick at the bottom, and it'll hold itself together. Just like that. See that? That there is an armadillo egg. All we gotta do now, let's throw it on the smoker. Got them on the pit balls. Close the lid. 250, 2 hours. Leave it alone. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. Moving outside. While those are smoking, let's make some patties. 2 pounds deer meat. Leftover sausage. Mix it up. Seasoning. Now that you got your patty, throw it down. Whatever seasoning you want. I like dry rubs. It's whatever your taste is. A lot of meat here. Don't be afraid to season it. Put it down on there thick. Pat that in. Roll it. Get the edges. 2 hours at 250. Heck yeah. I got 2 back here for my wife. She's a vegetarian. I got the burgers in here smoking. I got the rest in here. I threw these 2 right on top of the fire to crisp that bacon up. Right at the end of the cooking process, you want to get it hot. That way that bacon is crispy. I'm going to pull these 2 off. We're going to take it back inside, see how we did. Alright guys, they're done. We're inside. Check that out. Triple pepper armadillo egg. You ready, kid? Mm-hmm. By the way, this is my oldest daughter. We're going to call her Beth. She's always liked spicy food. So let's see if she's ready to kick it up a notch. You excited?
I don't know.
They look good, huh?
Yeah.
Let's dig in, kid. Is that not amazing, though?
Yeah.
What's the matter? You ready for the big leagues? You alright?
No. Right, don't make it better.
No? What do you think?
It burns.
That's fantastic. Alright guys, this right here, that's great. You guys try it, let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you like watching me make these. Remember, I'm Logan. This is Diesel Heat with Beth. Stay spicy, my friends.